a jellyfish. Hey guys, I'm sorry for greeting you in the car, but today is a different day. As you can see, different hairstyle, meaning different energy. We're going out for hiking. We'll be going and looking at waterfalls. As you can see, the outfit is giving pretty much, you know, chilled and ready for, you know, ready for the track, ready for the path, ready for nature, ready for that, ready for that. I'll see you. You know what? Enjoy the montage. Enjoy the montage on our way there. It's gonna take about 1 hour. Yeah.
Come through and chill.
It's gonna be interesting. Look at the woods. It looks so, yeah, it looks creepy. We finally made it to the four-way trip. See you guys once we start walking.
Women, don't forget about the thing. This is not the most king, y'all. It's about the thing. Yeah, feel real good with your hands in the air.
Trails.
We're gonna rock the night away. Out on the floor.
But I still have a lot of energy.
Girl, when you dance, there's a magic that must be love. Just
This is better a water park. I feel like I'm in the Philippines or something.
got so far to go.
Oh my gosh, guys, you could literally hear the waterfall from here.
Share that beat of love. I wanna
How I'm holding her, guys. Guys, I'm doing this risk for you guys. Didn't see the part where we were climbing the stairs. That was a workout. I couldn't even take out my phone to record because just follow.
What the dog doing?
Guys, we're going to the last waterfall. But to get to the last two more. That was the second one, the one you saw there when we went back there. I didn't record it. Imagine you're looking at that and you've already walked for like 3 hours. Imagine looking at that and tell me how you feel. Never back down, never what? Yeah, something like that. He thinks we're going the wrong way.
No way. Why you not having fun?
Bruh. How's... Guys, indeed we were going in the wrong direction, but I could not admit that to him. And plus I had to take away my phone because things were actually getting serious. Guys, we were in the woods and we didn't know where we were going, but we found our way back. This is the last walk. Guys, we're almost there. Woo! I'm almost there. That's why you gotta keep telling yourself in life, bro. You're like, oh, I've already walked. I'm over, bro. I can't do this anymore. Just focus at where you are right now. Keep walking, keep pushing, guys. You're almost there. That's what I'm telling myself. I don't know what I just said, but if that resonated with you in any way, well, I guess take it. made it to Tempe. I know I didn't give you much clips of when we were coming here, but we're already here. All I can do now is show you around. Come with me. We're about to walk on the other side of the beach, so we're gonna be like walking on the other side, the coast, something like that, to get to the other side. And I have my trainers on, so we'll see about that.
Forget about it.
Hey guys! Look at the view! So guys, we're literally... You're showing my forehead, bro. You need to show my full face. Yeah.
Oh, hello.
Guys, we're on our way walking to the beach right now. We're gonna test the waters. Woo! That wind, J. So windy. So windy. So windy.
I need to tell you all the pain he's
Guys, they want us to do a transition, so we're just gonna be coming at you randomly, coming and running here. Okay, I'm gonna put you guys down here. Jump!
I have to face. I gotta find.
So guys, we came to like a random restaurant so that we could change. So I'm about to change my clothes for the transition and maybe for swimming. Who knows? Oh my gosh, is it alive? Oh my gosh, look at the jellyfish. You guys, what if oh my gosh, guys, we saw a jellyfish today. It's so big, I'm not sure if it's alive or not. What the heck? So guys, I'm about to do the transition right now. Maybe I'll post it on TikTok. Tune in. It's .gifile. Yeah, on TikTok. Guys, you saw me like getting ready, like preparing myself. The thing is, I just swam and the water is cold. It's really cold, guys. But right now, just I got ready again, and then I'll be going. We'll be going around. It will always be. Bonjour.